Hi guys, welcome back to Bonsai Crazy! Now, it's another day of beer and bonsai. Hee. But I've got this Amir maple that I got from Dan from Care Now Bonsai. Or I think it's Care Now Bonsai. Sorry Dan if I've forgotten your name of your channel. I'm going to check this maple because it's got it's a clump style, very first clump style that I've ever attempted. So I'm going to take all the weeds out and the grass, and we're going to give it a little root prune. I know I'm a little bit late, but at the end of the day I want to do some bonsai, just cheer myself up. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm gonna snip off the wire because I know it'll be biting in by now. It's been on there for a couple of years. Yeah, it's been on there for a couple of years, so I'm gonna get my glasses first off. And I'm gonna attempt to snip this wire off. There we go, that's got it. The trees are still a bit loose, but they are looking all right. I'm going to take this wire off too. There we go. They're not quite fused together, so I reckon maybe do that again. I know I'm not doing it properly, but yeah, that'll hold that together for the rest of the year. There's a root there. Get rid of that. Yeah, that should hold it. I'm gonna get me chopstick. Also from Dan Care Now. I'm just gonna take off the topsoil, do a light little repot, nothing heavy. Just loosen up these roots. So they're encouraged to grow a bit. There we go. That's just a bit of encouragement for for the roots. Can tighten this up a little bit. Then it's back in a bigger pot, so it can be encouraged to grow. And fight another day. I think I might put some wire on this actually and separate them a bit more. I'll do that now. There we go, guys. That's it's looking a darn sight better than what it did. And it's almost fused. So I think I'm quite happy with that for now. Always a little bit of tweaking. Just concentrating on the movement down the bottom part of the trunk for now and let it grow. There you go, there you have it. I'm going to leave this video here, and hopefully you'll all tune in to the next one, even though I am a bit boring. I know I'm a bit boring, I know I don't say too much, but I like to show you my trees, and this one's a special tree for me. This was given to me by one of my best friends, so Dan, it's doing well, mate. It's doing all right. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Ta-da.